Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about that shading technique called crosshatching. So what do we use crosshatching for? The answer is many things, actually. Not helpful, I know. But how do you use crosshatching? Because you can use crosshatching to create various effects, from smooth textures to using contours to create form, to using a messy crosshatching structure to create depth, like fur, brilliant for fur, and all those sorts of things. But the best thing I think I can do is show you. So follow me.
So cross-hatching is essentially lines going in one direction and then being crossed over the top in another direction, giving us cross-hatching. Now we layer up those lines and bring them closer together to create shade, so that darker shade. In order to create contours and form, we move our lines so they're not lines but actually follow the contour of the form that you want to create. So in this instance, we're creating like a curved surface using contour lines. Again, the closer those lines are together, the darker the effect will be, giving us that illusion of light and dark. So how would I use this in real life? Well, if I was sketching a person, I would use horizontal lines of the cross-hatching to create the darkness and the shading, and those curved lines to create contour. So in this instance, I'm creating the legs on this person that I'm sketching. And if you look at old masters' sketches, you will see them using this exactly same technique. So layer up the space between lines and the pen you use.
I hope you found that useful, and crosshatching is a really good technique to use while sketching, mapping out tones, getting those textures in. If you want to know more, we've got a whole subject on mark making in the Foundations course, which you can find inside the Smart Art Academy. So come along and join us. In the meantime, like, subscribe. You know what to do, and I'll see you on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.